All right. I think we are live on YouTube right now. And so this is connected real time. Okay. So sorry, I'm trying to get this well situated now. Okay. So I want to just split my screen so that you can be able to see what is happening at the same time. Okay, sorry about that, because it's a test anyway, so no worries. So here we have the structure of the nucleic acid. This is a past question on nucleic acid, basically. And you can see a nucleotide. This is a nucleotide. Quick reminder, remember that nucleic acid is actually DNA and what RNA. So each of the nucleic acid, basically, whether DNA or RNA, is a polymer which contains nucleotides as its monomers. You know, polymers are made from combinations of monomers. So this is a nucleotide. So this we are supposed to identify each of these, and this particular one is phosphate. Phosphate. This is a nitrogenous base. And this one is a pentose sugar. Please remember that if this nucleotide is from DNA, this pentose sugar will actually be called deoxyribose. Pentose sugar does not tell you if it is, it just tells you it's a 5 carbon, so to say. But there's a bit of difference in arrangement of hydrogen and hydroxyl hydroxyl atom at the carbon 2, which is varied from deoxyribose sugar if it is in DNA, or if it is a ribose sugar if this is from what's it called again? RNA, as it were. All right. So basically, this is the major thing. And don't forget that the nitrogenous bases, we have 4 of them. It is adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Then we can also add uracil. Then this uracil is only found in RNA and is meant to replace thymine. But we'll get to that much, much later, as it were. So let's move on. So name the structural unit above. This is nucleic acid. Then it says name the component A. I think we already did that, but let me just, A is phosphate group. You just write phosphate group, phosphate group. So name the component B. Oh, good. So this component B telling you that what will it be if it is a DNA? So this is for DNA, and this is for RNA. So what will pentose sugar be? So that's why. So for DNA, it's going to be called deoxyribose sugar, while RNA is going to be just ribose sugar for short, as it were. Okay, so it says, 1 second. It says, name the 4 components found in DNA represented by C. Just what we've already done. So the major one, if it's DNA, that's it says DNA. So you don't need to mention uracil. So it's just going to be adenine, thymine, and that would be guanine, and that should be cytosine. Let me say this at this point. Remember that adenine and guanine are purines, while thymine and cytosine are pyrimidines. Now, let me say this very importantly. Somebody was asking me, how do you can you easily remember them? Look at this right now. Thymine has a Y in its spelling, cytosine has a Y in its spelling. So, and there's Y also in the spelling of pyrimidines. That's basically I remember. So I know that pyrimidines are the cytosine and thymine, which has Y in their spelling. Then purine, of course, that doesn't have any Y in its spelling. It's not like it's a law, it's just a basic way. I find it easy to remember as it were. All right. It says here, describe how the structural units drawn in A are arranged in DNA. So it's telling you that how does this structure form in a DNA? Or how does it form a DNA? So let's look at this. Let's talk about that. So we can say that point number 1, each nucleotide, did I get that? Nucleotide is joined to the next by a phosphodiester bond to form the backbone. Then you can also say that each base from the DNA strand is joined to the next by a hydrogen bond. All right. Then we can go as far as to say again that, of course, this point I'm making is meant to be like the first point, anyways. You can say that DNA is a double helix. Pass it well. You can also say that the nucleotide, the nucleotide are anti-parallel to each other. So are arranged to form 2 strands. Let me put it this way: arranged to form 2 parallel anti-parallel strands. It's just right. 2 anti-parallel strands. Sorry, I'm a bit fast. I'm just trying to check out this really. So when it says anti-parallel, it means that it goes from 5' to 3', then from 5' here to 3' there. So just anti-parallel like that. All right, guys. Like I said, this is just if you come across this video, it's just a test of me linking my Zoom account to my YouTube. Thank you for being with me. See you around. Bye.